Welcome to this overview of the EMA Dynamic Grid Hedging EA created using the no-code FXdreema platform. This expert advisor combines EMA, Exponential Moving Average, filters with a dynamic grid hedging strategy. The goal is to follow the trend via EMA placements while using a grid of hedged orders to manage risk and capture profit across price fluctuations. Here's how it generally works. The EA monitors price in relation to EMAs to determine trend direction. When price respects the EMA filter, it allows grid hedging to engage. The grid system places buy and sell orders around current price levels, spaced by configurable pip distances. Hedging logic allows simultaneous or counter-directional trades to balance exposure when the market moves against active orders. Dynamic adjustments may occur. As grid levels fill, lot size or hedge layers adapt. The EA also includes profit-taking logic and cut loss or reset mechanisms to avoid runaway drawdowns. Important customizable inputs include lot size, grid spacing, EMA periods, hedge layer settings, and profit stop-loss thresholds. These let traders adjust the strategy to their risk tolerance and market behavior. It's very important to note that combining a grid with hedging increases both opportunity and risk. Misuse or poor parameter setup can lead to large drawdowns. For that reason, always backtest with 99.9% tick data, forward test on a demo account, and fully understand the strategy before live deployment. This video is part of the playlist Build a Forex EA Robot, No Code FXdreema on the Mqlrobot EAS channel. Thank you for watching. I hope this gives you a clear view of how the EMA Dynamic Grid Hedging EA is structured.